welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be redoing this beautiful, I don't know if it's antique. It looked antique to me when I found it a while back ago. Actually, my husband found it in the trash. So I had removed the middle and planted these calicoys, different calicoys. I'll link the video down below. They did not do well, and I think they didn't do well because where I placed them, they did not get enough sun. So I think that's why they didn't do well. So I went ahead and I did behead a lot of them, but I'll be removing now what's in there and trying to come up with a new arrangement. I have some ideas, and definitely it's going to be in an area where it does get enough sunlight, so I don't have to worry about that anymore. Let me pull these out. Yes, well, I decided to add this little gnome here. This is a gnome that I actually rescued or repaired. I think I had gone to a yard sale, and the guy had gifted me several gnomes. Some I have painted and some I have not painted yet. They're still waiting. This is one of them that I painted, but also he was missing an arm, and I glued this pot on it, and I'll show you his arm missing. See, his arm was missing back there, and I just filled in the rest with glue, and yeah, it's holding the pot. So I thought that was a pretty cool idea. So I picked out some succulents, and I hope that it turns out well. Let me put some of the soil. I wanted to talk to you guys. If any of you guys buy Miracle-Gro cactus soil like I do, did you notice that it's different? Not only is the bag smaller, but it also has lots of wood stuff. I feel it just feels less, I don't know, it feels more like it has more peat moss, I think. I'm not sure what I'm feeling, but yeah, that's what I'm feeling. So I'm taking this ghost here, right here, this ghost plant. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit. It's been in a pot for, I don't know, quite a while. This ghost plant is very, very white, as you can see. Hold on, let me see. Let me get closer. See? The reason it's like this is because it gets a lot of sun. So these change. This is the one, same plant that I have underneath my palm tree, the one that's over there that looks bluish. This is the same one. But I mean, I didn't pull it out from there. This one was in my greenhouse in a pot. So it does get a lot of sun there. So that's why it looks like this color. I don't know if it's gonna stay upward. I need to vary it more. Stays put, stay put. This is, I love this one. I think this is one of my favorites because of the colors. They can look very, the colors can vary on it depending the weather, like winter time, or exposure of sun, or withholding the water. It really does change. Like if it was a whole different plant, but it's not. It's the same plant. Okay, there's another one. These are just some babies that were growing, also heading in the same direction of color, because it also gets a lot of sun. Oh, you know what? I didn't know if this was focusing after I got close. I hope it did. I hope it did focus the whole time that I was talking. I was gonna say yapping. So these will grow bigger. They grow within their, you know, the size of the pot. I've noticed with these, so they have room to grow. They'll grow bigger. So that one, and then so these are the ones that I propagated from the big white pot that I originally had. I was a little bit iffy whether I should use it here or not, but I made the decision to use it. Yeah, I made the decision to use it because I told myself that I would buy another one if I see it at Home Depot. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it for this arrangement. And if I can possibly not disturb it, that will be great. There we go. Okay, I actually like that, the way that looks over here. Yeah, I'll lift them up with a little bit of soil, and then that. So this arrangement, it's gonna be pretty easy. The only thing I need to figure out is what trailing plant I would like to put here. But as I was just thinking that this is gonna be a planter that needs sun, I would like it to get good sun so that nothing stretches out. Maybe I won't be able to put a trailing plant in there because it might it might get burned by the sun. So I'm gonna have to think about that. Yeah, I have to think about that. Gotta give that one a little bit more thought on how I'm gonna do that. There we go. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to think about that one. Okay, so I have these echeverias that have been growing for quite a while here in this pot. And look, they look like trailing succulents. And I actually like the look. I would not behead these. I actually like the way they're growing. And I'm gonna see if I can make it work in a way where it kind of just comes out of here. But I'm gonna have to just remove some soil from here. Hold on. So I can make it kind of hang. A little bit more soil. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and let this one come over this way. Guys, I hope you guys can see. I realized that I checked the camera and it wasn't in focus. So, and the sun is right here behind me. Uh-oh, this just broke off. Poor baby. It was dry. I don't think I can keep that one there. I think it will, it won't make it. So let me just leave that one alone. Max, what are you doing? Out of there. Bless you, Maxie. Okay. I think I'm going to leave that alone for now. I'm not going to fidget with it anymore because I might end up hurting it. So what I need to do is I need to find a few rocks that I like to place in there, and then other little rocks. We'll see. Let me go find some rocks. Give some support to this plant here. And kind of serve also as a decorative piece, see? And then over here, for these, we'll just take this one and figure out which way I want it. Oh, there goes another leaf. Poor plant. It's treating you. As long as it doesn't break like the other ones, we're good. Okay. Okay, I like that. That's good. So, I'm gonna blow that out. Okay, so maybe I'll place some other pieces of rock just for decor purposes. I don't know if I have enough rock to decorate this whole thing, so we'll see. Make it look like something natural. Okay. Oh yeah, like I was saying, if you don't have one of these, you need to get one. It just really helps with cleaning up your projects. There's a certain kind of rock that I don't want to mix with these rocks, and it's the white, the all white ones. That I'm not trying to do that. I'm trying to go with the earthy tones. Well, that's what I have the most of. Yes. Okay. Hey guys, let me go find more rock and then also think about what I'm gonna do for this one right here. Done. This is the plant I chose, this kalanchoe. I love that kalanchoe. Here's this kalanchoe. I believe this is the chocolate soldier, not the panda one. And then, because the panda has thicker leaves and black spots. And then ghost plants are so pretty. So this is what it looks like from one side. Let me not block the sun. You're looking, if you see it from this side. That's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I hope you guys, if I don't make another video on before Mother's Day, I wish you guys all a happy Mother's Day for those of you who are mothers. Thank you so much for your support. Quick view of my pots that I got from the Dollar Tree. Here they are, filled. This is the one that I did with you guys on the live. And then I went ahead and did these. And that one, I don't prefer it like this single. I prefer this look. This is probably my favorite one, that one. So yeah, anyways, here they are. Thank you guys so much. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.